Alright, we're live and on the air. We're live and on the air. Here we go. Day 16 analytics, excellent connection. Let's go. Okay, excellent connection. Let's go. Let's take a look at what news we have today. We had a nice run up yesterday. Hard to trade day. So today, the market looks like it's moving pre-market. Tuesday, 10 o'clock, we got manufacturing. 9 o'clock, here we go. We got HPI and month over month. It's happening now. We got S&P composite. So it came out 1.6. It beat the forecast of 1.4. And also the HPI month over month, 0.4, beat a negative 0.1. So that news just came out. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we got Richmond Manufacturing Index. CB Consumer Confidence coming out. And then after the market closes, we got Weekly Statistical Bulletin. HPI, month over month. Change in the purchase price of homes with mortgages backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Released monthly about 60 days after the month ends. Source, okay. Begin March 12/8. It's a leading indicator of the housing industry's health because rising house prices attract investors and spur industry activity. House Price Index. That's what it stands for. HPI, House Price Index. And it came out positive. Okay, trying to close it. And we came out positive, 0.4. They was expecting the negative 0.1. Came out 0.4. S&P CS Composite, House Price Index year over year. So showing a year over year change in the selling price of single family homes in 20 metropolitan areas. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Released monthly. This is one of the few non-seasonally adjusted numbers reported on the calendar as it's the primary calculation for this indicator. Okay, it's a leading indicator of the housing industry's health because rising house prices attract investors and spur industry activity. Standard & Poor's, Case-Shiller, House Price Index. Okay, came out 1.6. Expectations, forecast was 1.4. So there we have it. And that's for today, Richmond Manufacturing at 10 o'clock. And look, and it popped. While we're talking and showing, it broke and popped. 18 up to 24. I would like to see a pullback to 18, this R1 or 20, and then a possible run up to 20 to 29 or 30, between 20 and 30. I would like to see that trade between 20 and 30. That was what I was waiting for. But may miss it in the pre-market. May keep running in the pre-market and don't give a chance to pull back. Let's see what happens. I don't want to chase this 24 to 30. I want to see a pullback. May get it, may not get it. May have missed the trade. showing the information. But if we get a cycle, a rotation down and back up, that's what I want to see. I don't want to buy up here. I want to see a pullback and then possible rotation back up. That's what I want to see. It's all looking bullish. It's all looking bullish. Give me 1 second. I may have to change some things here so I don't keep. Okay. Let me see what screen I'm looking at. Okay. So let me see if I can fix. See if I can fix my mic. See if I can fix my mic. Okay. It's trying to fix my mic here. Make sure my mic is working. Okay, my mic should be working. Okay, I should have switched my screen too, so we see that everything is bullish. Everything is bullish here. On a 4 hour to 15, the daily is all bullish. Let me see what we got here. We got a small pullback. We got a small pullback. It may get to that 29. Okay, so we see it's working. So we see that that we got a small pullback. And we may keep running up to the 29 to the R2 and the 30. I want to see a pullback into this 20. This 20. I might not get it. May not get it. Let's see what happens. Everything is looking this 4 hour bar. I wasn't expecting this 4 hour bar to just go pre-market. But this is the targets, 30, 29, 30. I want to see a rotation. If we can get a rotation back down and then like a rotation back down and then come back up. But we'll see what the market does. We'll see what the market does. So we're back on this page, on this monitor with the 1 minute chart. And Look like it may run. Look like it may stay above oversold and show some strength up here. This looked like a nice setup for a pop. Look for a nice setup. Moving up tight and a pop, but I'm not going to take a pop here. Over 26 to 30. I'm not going to do it. Let's see if we get some pullback. Today's word is pull back. Today's word is pull back. Today's word is pull back. Let's see what we get. My trade that I was looking for happened in the pre-market. Over 20. I wanted to see some consolidation here, not just a break and pop and go. And if this makes this move early in the day, then at 10 o'clock when the next 4-hour bar opens up, where's that going to go? We will see. Okay. Can we get, pardon me, we're up 18 points for the day so far. Previous day's high 16.25. So between 18 and 21 is where I want to see possibly get long if it can come into this 18 and 21 and hold above, and then make a move up into this 29.30. Haven't reached it yet. 27 is close. Is close. $27 is close, but I want to see a rotation of stochastics come down. And then a continuation up into the 30. But I need a pullback. Need a pullback. See how much of a pullback we get. We get 1 point pullbacks. We get 1 point pullbacks. 2 points, 1.5 points. New 15-minute bar just opened up. It looks like it may do the 1-2 move. Patience. Patience. Sitting on my hands. Taking a sip of coffee. Do I want to play a short back into 20? Possible 4 points. No. 26 to 22 is possible. Going against the grain. 22 right here. 26 to 22, but I'm not playing against this. No. Nope. Look good on a 15-minute bar. Can we trace the 15-minute bar? Pop right back down. Got a few minutes before the market opens up. And we'll see what happens when the market opens. Stochastics is rolling over. How much pressure is it going to put on the price? $26 to $22 would be 4 points. We didn't test 30. We haven't touched 30. So if we roll over and continue to go higher, that's what I'm looking for, 30 to test at the 29.75 and the 30. If it wants to go there, it's just timing. It's just timing. We only up 15 points. We closed this gap in pre-market. Will it close again, or is it going to stay above the 17, 18? This is where we bounced off of, right here off of 2275. A little high at 25. Let's see. It wants to hold the 24. Nine minutes into the market opens. This would be nice if this came over and did a little double bottom. A double bottom here. If it did some type of double bottom and then held and started to move. But we'll see where the market wants to go today. If we can find any setups. We are bullish. For the most part, but you know the market can change at any time. At any time. So we've been building up volume between 23, 23.50 and it's 26, 27 here. Had some of the 21 area and then down at 17 and around the 25, 24 area. Then the 21. Oh, we put the 21 up. 07, 08 had a lot of volume down here. Little bell curve. I'm gonna make the line a little. Try to make the lines a little smaller. Let's see what happens. Got a few minutes before the market opens up. Roughly about 3 minutes. Roughly about 3 minutes before the market opens. Still wants to go. Market about to open up. Market will be open in a few seconds. See where it wants to go. And that 24 is the 24 holding. Is this 24 holding? Okay. There's the 22. Broke the 24. Dip between the 24. As low as 22. So right now we're in between the 22 and 24. I mean 27. The 27 up here and the 22. In this range. Give me 1 minute while this 15-minute bar shakes. We got barcode, red, green, red. Then at the lower range, we got 21. Stochastic still looks weak. Okay, stochastic looks like it may want to turn up, but let's see. Is this 24 that was support, now resistance? Because if it wants to go to 30, it doesn't want to take us with it. So I'm going to sit on my hands and just wait. Okay, testing back 20, 21. Okay, there go 20. Coming back to test 20. Test the 18. Here we go, testing 18. $17, the previous high is 16.25. That's that purple line right here. So do we test 16.25? The 17 to 16. I'll take a stab if it comes back. I may not get it. I really want it close. I want it closer to 16. If we can, well, we came down. We tested here 17. May keep going. We and oversold, but let's see what this market does down here. Don't look like we're getting a heavy bounce. We may go down further. Have to go down a little further. Now here's 20. If we get above 20, I like above 20. Okay. If we're getting a little pause here, some consolidation, maybe. Let's see. Getting a sell-off, early sell-off. $16. That order just got, okay, some orders look like they're trying to step in here. Not yet. Got a 200. Got a VWAP. Do I want to test VWAP? Down here 14 or 12. Got the 200. Got the VWAP. It was 16. I'm gonna take a stab here and
Order submitted. Order
see if we get a
filled.
pop. See if we get it. Nope, we may not get a pop. If we get under VWAP, then we out. If it break under VWAP, we out. But I wanted to see if we get a minor reversal right here. Or we still may have some time, some more movement down. We'll see. May come under VWAP, but if it break VWAP, then we out. Okay, still coming down. Maybe wants to test the 14 and the 12. May get a test of the 14 and the 12.
Stop filled.
Okay. Didn't hold VWAP early.
Order filled.
Take it again. See if we moving up. See if we can get something off this bottom here. Okay. See if we can get something off this bottom here. Just trying to get a bounce off of VWAP. A little early in the day. No bounce off of VWAP. Come on. See if we get a bounce off of VWAP. Nope. Nope. Look like it's not holding VWAP. Got a low of 14 and a quarter. If it break new low. No. We still going lower. Nope. Okay.
Stop filled.
We're going lower for the day. So let's see. No bounces down here. No bounces. Small bounces, nothing heavy. The open is 14. Continuing down to the 1069.10. It look like we're gonna close the gap open. Previous open is close is 0825. 0825 is the previous day's close. So that's where we might test. Got to bounce off with 10. So 98.01. Back to around this in this area. 07. 05. I'm gonna see let me see if I can get in here on a bounce.
Order canceled.
Try to get in on a bounce.
Order canceled.
Try to get in on a bounce down here. Tried to get in, it came down to 06, couldn't grab the 07. Was too slow. I want to take a long in here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna see it keep going. Come on, let's see if we can get a bounce around here somewhere. Okay, come on. Let's see if we can get the bounce. Let's see if we can get a bounce. We're not getting a heavy bounce. Let me see if I can get 10, a couple of points here.
Order canceled.
It's not grabbing a 10. Didn't bounce to 10. I wanted to see if this could bounce to 10. We may consolidate. I don't want it to come down, test new low, but I could have got the 10. I didn't. I wanted to see the bounce in here. I just wanted to see that 10 on this bar. This closes 08. So a break of this 08 could possibly see 01 if it keeps going. If we consolidate here and then break lower, could possibly see 01. Look like it. No, I don't want to take that 10 to, not necessarily. Let's see if it breaks. Doing some consolidating. We have another 4-hour bar opening up in 5 minutes. So we can see what happens and where this wants to move in 5 minutes. $20. Did they pop this to push to squeeze? What was that pop? Was that a pop for a squeeze, or what was that pop? We back in the overnight range in the value area. Just ranging right now between, I'm not going to take that pop, but part between 14 and 06. Ten o'clock bar about to open up. And it's open. That's below this 14, which is some resistance. Are we going to get back above VWAP and the 200 moving average over 14? Then we'll be back in this area here. It's 14 to 17. Just consolidating here. Just consolidating here. Holding over 68.10 for now. Open is 14. The high is 16.25. Close is 08. And the low is 01. The question is, which way we're going to go? We're going to go test 01 back to the low, or we're going to get above 17, or we just going to trade in between this close of 08 and the high 6 and the open and the high, and just stay in this range here. We also gotta may come out the range, but right now we here. Okay. Look like you want to try to get out of this low range here. Testing VWAP, not above it. Testing VWAP. If I go here, 14 is, we got VWAP, we got the current open, and we got the prior close. All these three right here. Got all this all in one. Question is, does it want to get above it? Or is it going to hold? Let me get rid of this here. Trying to hold over 10. But we're still in a little, in this range, and then a symmetrical triangle just rolling around here. However you want to place it. Wherever you want to place it. We're still in this triangle. Not going anywhere yet. Which side is going to win? Testing back to the open. Testing it. Testing back to the open. Testing back to the open on days open at 14. Not breaking through. Not breaking through that 14. 14 keep getting rejected. There we go. Is it going to break through the 14? Keep getting rejected. Oh, trying to get rid of this. Maybe we have we're still here, but maybe we get a ascending wedge here. I'm gonna just move it over. We have an ascending wedge come up and either break up out of this area or break down. We can come down, have a bear flag and roll over. You have a pendant, ascending wedge and break up into the 17 and maybe keep going higher. We'll see. Right now we're just consolidating in this area. Testing VWAP in the open. Testing VWAP in the open. In between 8 and 13, 14. Got another 15-minute bar open up at in 2 minutes. I'm not going to take the break up. I'm going to look for it to break up and then come back. Come back and test and for a move higher. But we gotta get a past the open, and then we also have 16 and a quarter here for the previous high. So we just might stick around in these areas for a minute. Don't want to play this expected break, even though it looks like that's what's going to happen. The next 15-minute bar might open up and then proceed to break this 1450. It's possible. We'll see what it wants to do. 15-minute bar just opened up. This high is 1450. This open is 1450. This right here, testing the open. Testing the open. Testing the open. Will it pop or will it roll over? The solid day look like it pop through. Then it look like it can roll over. Stand up above VWAP. Well, near VWAP, not above it, but stand near this VWAP and 200 and the opening. Got all three at 14. VWAP, the day's open, the 200 moving. And what else is here? It's three. The open, current open, the order, the VWAP, the current open, and the prior close. All three right here. At 14. We get above 1450. Well, what is this? High 19. We've made a pop to 19 and a quarter. From 10. Made almost a 10-point pop. And then pull right back down into 0875. This closes 9 and a quarter. I mean, this open was 1450. This close is 1450. This 1450 and this 14 is getting rejected. And even with stochastics coming up, it hasn't moved. So it can roll over, or stochastic can break into over the 70, show some strength in the break of 14. That's just an option. Or it can just roll over and keep going down. Right now, there's no trade to be made. No trades to be made right now. Okay, a little dip, come down a little bit. Just here between 12 and 14. Between 12, there we go. Okay, 14 is breaking to the upside. Over the 1450. Over VWAP. This high is 16 and a quarter. That's this purple line right here. Previous day's high, 16 and a quarter. That's this purple line right here. Prior high. So if we can get above the prior high, we can possibly go higher. So we have some resistance up here to get past. And we're back under VWAP in the open. Now we're on top of VWAP in the open. Let's hold that support. Will VWAP hold that support? Got 15 to 17 right here. That's where we at. Stochastics looks like it wants to roll over. At the same time, price looks like it wants to go higher. Okay, there we go. Can we get past previous days open? Now we have to get past R1. 18, 20. Look like we trying to, well, we over and under VWAP. That's over, under. Now we back over. The question is, do we stay over VWAP and do we go higher? Have another 15-minute bar about to open up. And then we have a trend line that could be here. That's too high. It could be here. When we get over 17, it's so close, you know, trying to 18. $16.25 is the high. And then we got R1 right at 18. And 18, if you look back, is where we broke out and started moving up. Okay. I'm gonna try.
Order filled.
Don't like the way that one opened up, especially into 17. Especially into 17. If we can hold 16, if we can hold over the open. That's what I'm. Nope. It should wait to over 17. Getting in a little. Wait till over the 17. 1850. We still got some resistance up here.
Stop filled.
Yep. Come back to VWAP. Come back to VWAP.
Order filled.
See if we get it here. Is this the pullback and then the run up? Are we going to get a push higher here? Trying to get a break above VWAP somewhere. Do we get the 1-2 or no? Do we get the 1-2 punch here? Think
Order
not.
canceled.
Possibly just yeah, that was the 1-2. Possibly little push here, little push there, pull back. No major moves, no major momentum. This could be the shakeout bar and then the go ahead. We got stochastics coming up. That was it. Up to the R1. R1. $18.25. But that went to 19.25 and then got rejected here. 19.25. We're gonna get rejected at 20.
Order filled.
See if we can get up to 20. We got rejected at 19.25. We need to get past, stay over the 18.25. I may be a little early also above the 18.25. Could be a rejection area.
Stop filled.
keep getting rejected. Rejected at rejections. One more again.
Order filled.
See if we gonna push higher. Not going higher yet. We just keep going lower. Nope, we're under VWAP. And we're gonna keep going lower.
Stop filled.
Okay. So I keep getting stopped out. Then it's gonna pop back up. Can't catch it. So I guess we're going lower. But this is my trading day. It's over with. Didn't get any good trades. Over and under VWAP. Over, under, over, under. Two more minutes before the market. Another 15-minute bar opens up. Going over and under the previous day's open. Alright, we dipped out of this channel back in and just made consolidating this channel and make higher moves up into 22 once we move over a little bit. We got 20, so we've been selling. We got rejection at 20, 19, and then 19. This 19 and a quarter. So basically we could have some consolidation until we can get past here over 20. Possibly. Are we looking to start a downtrend? A down channel here. We can stay in the up channel here or start a new down channel here. Right now, we just going sideways over and under VWAP. Over, under, over under VWAP. And the previous day's high and today's open. We had a little fake out here. Shoulders, head, shoulders, fake out. Back up to 17. Low of 11, back up to 17. Right now, we're just going sideways, ranging. Another 15-minute bar opening up. We're just ranging right now. One minute, another 15-minute bar will open up. Over under VWAP. The move was made in the morning. The run up and a run down. That was the move made in the morning. Run up and then a run down. And that was it. And the moves looking for to move up. Move down. Yeah, gotta be patient. We just going sideways here. Over under VWAP. Previous days open, previous days high. Over and under VWAP. Previous days open, previous days high. Now, since I've been chopped, I gotta see it break above this high and stay above 20. I gotta look above 20. This range here below 20, it's just chop. It's just chop fest. I was looking for a trade to get to 20, between 14 and 20, but by the time it makes the move, if it's gonna make it, I would have been stopped out and stopped out and stopped out. So with no more ammunition. Over and under VWAP. Shopped around this morning, made the bigger move on the run up pre-market and then the dump, and that's just over and under this spike, over and under. Just open under. Chop, chop, chop. I like this 13. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. See if we can get above. Nope. What's the low on here? 12. Came off the 12. I guess. Was hoping that we come off the 12 and get higher. And 12 give us some support. That was the idea. That 12 give us some support here. That's the idea, that we get some support at 12. Guess not. Guess it wants to search lower. I thought we'd get some that we got. We got orders here, 14 stepping in. 167. Okay, we got some support at 12. How far do we go? 14. Over VWAP again. Don't know how far we can go. Over VWAP. It's not holding over 14. It's not holding over VWAP. See if we can hold over 12. Nope. Let's see. Nope. It's not holding. Just tested over VWAP and came down. Let's see. Don't like this. Unless we get a move to the upside, this could be looking for a move down. Shaking around here is not looking good. Trying to hold support. It may go down low before it go higher again. I can't get the move up. The moves I try to make up keep coming down. This is the last. I thought it was gonna maybe hold and go higher, but they're gonna get the low. It is low 1175. You're gonna take the low and go lower. Before, yep. Thought it was gonna go higher, but it's coming lower. Now we break the low. We break 10. No, come get the low and then move higher. Come get the stops and move higher. That's what's gonna happen. If it breaks 10, I'm going short. It just seems like it's going lower. So if it breaks the 10, I'm gonna take it short. But may have some at 8. May have some support at 8. Look at this. May have some support at 8. Four-hour bar. They just ripping both sides. 1150. They're chopping both sides. Chopping both sides. If it break it, I'm taking it. Chopping both sides. Can't get it short, can't get it long. Let me see. Can't get it short, can't get it long. Got order stepping in at 07. If it continue to come down, now it's just consolidating between 12 and 10. Now it's consolidating between 12 and 10.
Order submitted.
975.
Order filled.
Now, let's see if it comes down or if it's going to bounce up. Got me in at 975. Let's see where it goes. 8 is support. We got some support at 8. Definitely has support at 8. Looking at the 4-hour bar, We got support at 8 and at 7. So getting past 8 and 7 is going to be a doozy. And it don't look like it's going to happen. Eight and 7 is a support level. It's actually where it's supposed to be buying at, and I'm selling. So back up we go. Back up we go. We need to get down here to get more buyers, trap more sellers. Am I the one being squeezed? Am I the one being squeezed? Am I the one being squeezed? Look like I may be the one being squeezed here. Look like I may be the one being squeezed here. For bar open is 1150. For our bar can go back and open. Let's see. Over and under 10. I'm not adding to this, and I'm just holding. We get a double bottom. We get consolidation or what? Got support down here at 7, 8 and 7. My guess would be that we get a bounce here off of the 10, because we still in a bullish trend. Still in a bullish trend, so my guess would we get a bounce off of 10. If we break, we can get to 01. If we break. If we break, I'm going to take another.
Order submitted.
At 70, at 7. And we can get to 01. The low of the day. If we break down. we break 7, we got a low around 675, and then I'll move this break even if that's what happens. Or 150. Now adding here, I want to see some more movement to the downside. We got to break 8. 8 is support. 7, 8 is support on a bigger time frame. So may want to dump to 03, 01 and test the low. I said may, don't mean it has to. There we go. If it keeps dumping, I'm gonna get in another contract and move my stop to break even. If it breaks the 7, has to break the 7, has to break the 7. We could double bottom here. We can definitely double bottom here. We can definitely double bottom here. But I want to add, and then I'll get in the break even.
Order filled.
Okay. Move my stop to break even in case we bounce back, which we possibly can. I want to see it break down. There we go. I want to see it break past 8. We got to get past 8. Got to get past 8 and 7. Got to keep going. Got to keep going. We have to keep going. Have to keep going. Have to keep going. And test the low. Test the low. Here we go. Come on, 2. Can we get 2? Can we get 2? Can we get 2? Can we? We hit the low here. We hit the 3. Come on. We hit the 3. Can we get back down? We hit the 3 and the trend line. It look like we're gonna bounce. We hit the 3 in the trend line and bounce back up off the trend line. The low was 3, not 2. The low was 3, not 2. And I failed it again. The low was 3, not 2.
Failed.
Ain't that something? The low was 3, not 2. Good trade, but the low was 3. Trend line. Low was 3, but looking for 2. 1 point. 1 point. And off of the 3, we bounced back up. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't get the 2, got the 3. We got to 3 and bounced off the trend line. Okay, that's it for the day. That's it for the day. I'll stop this trend line. Back up to 9. Not taking any other. Not trying to get that back. Not taking that trade. Good trade. Good execution. Not a good exit target. Not a good target. I'm not taking that trade again. That was a nice trade. So that's my trading for the day. I'm not taking this trade again. So that's it. Be back tomorrow. Happy trading.